Hey guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the black screen or the computer not starting problem during the startup. So I have my computer, HP computer. It's not starting. It's leave the black screen when I try to start the computer. So what I have to do is we have to do some sort of reverse engineering things to get it done. We always go from the cheapest way to solve this problem. So what I'm gonna do first is I will check the batteries and the power adapter, whether it's functioning well or not. So if your computer is in your computer, if you can take out the battery or you can remove the battery, just try taking out the battery and connect the power adapter. If still it's not working, because sometime if there is issue on the battery, then the computer not get started. If also you connect the power adapter, so try removing out the batteries and try connect the power plug the power adapter. If the issue is still persists, then you have to do various of these steps. So let's do the first steps. In my case, the first step didn't work, so I have to go for the second, in which what I'm doing is to reset or update the BIOS. So sometimes the BIOS get crashed due to different reason which don't allow your PC to turn on. BIOS is a simple basic input and output system. When you power your computer, it trigger the BIOS, and your BIOS take control over everything, and it passes the control to operating system, which usually is in hard drive. So when the BIOS is not working, then it could not pass the control to the operating system, so computer can get turned on. Now this computer have are coming with UEFI firmware instead of traditional BIOS, but the work is the same. Both are the low level system software with a similar role. Unlike operating system, which usually in the hard drive or SSD, uh, BIOS is the low level software which usually stay in motherboard of your computer, so it doesn't have any relation with the operating system. So it's when you power on, it trigger the BIOS software of processor, and everything's turn on. So if it's not BIOS is not working, then obviously the computer can't get its function. So what we have to do is to reset or update the BIOS. So let's start for the So in my case, the second steps work and my computer is running fine. But if the second step is also not working, then what you have to do is check whether the display of the computer is crashed or it's damaged. So try connecting with the external monitor. You can use the display port or VGA, HDMI, anything to connect the another external monitor. If it's work in external monitor, then obviously there is some problem in the graphics IC or your graphics hardware. So what you have to do is you have to go to nearest service center, because it's very hard to solve in home. You should have the more technical knowledge to do that. If the third step is also not working for you, then what you have to do is you have to, if it's out of warranty, then if it's in the warranty, then you don't need to take the tension over it. So you can go to service center and they're gonna repair it. But if it's out of out of warranty, then what you can do is there might be some problem in RAM. Sometime it's happened. So what you have to do is jack in, jack out the RAM, the random access memory of the computer. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew on the back of the computer, and you have to jack in and jack out the RAM of your computer. If it's work fine, then that's it. If it doesn't work, then you have to go to nearest service center where there is something issues in your processor, a motherboard. So technician have to go the detail through it to solve the issues. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the video.